Alright, so like I mentioned before, this Jaguar has some completely rusted out spots down on the floorboards. So back here in the back, you can see it's rusted out to the street. And I got some other spots kind of up in the front over there. So I've gone ahead and cut a new piece of metal weld in. So pretty much all that's going to happen is I'm going to be taking out the bulk of this middle section and up into the front. I'm going to have to get some 9-degree steel angle to get up on the front up there too, or some sheet metal, something like that, to go work on that. So I'm just going to start cutting with the cutoff wheel and just kind of take it out from there.
Are pretty. It's the greatest damn place in the whole of the city. If you're looking for crewmates, you'll sure find them there. Cutthroats and lowlifes and worse, I should dare. Oh, Nancy don't care who comes to her in. It's a den of debauchery, violence and sin. So come take a drink and drown your sorrows, and all of our fears will be gone till tomorrow. We'll have no regrets and live for the day in Nancy's Harbor Cafe. So come take a drink and drown your sorrows, and all of our fears will be gone till tomorrow. We'll have no regrets and live for the day in Nancy's Harbor Cafe. To go on a glorious quest, there's a man there who knows of an old treasure chest. For some pieces of meat and a tankard of ale, he'll show ye the map and tell ye its tale. And then there's Nancy, the lovely our maiden. She may be old, but her beauty ain't fading. Oh, Nancy don't care who comes to her in. It's a den of debauchery, violence and sin. So come take a drink and drown your sorrows, and all of our fears will be gone till tomorrow. We'll have no regrets and live for the day in Nancy's Harbor
Alright, so let's go ahead and start welding. Alright, bad welding aside, I got those guys in there now. I'll go ahead, also added some support to that channel over the rear diff. So I think I'm ready to start placing the battery supports. Because I don't want to repack the battery, what's going to end up happening is I'm going to be laying the entire pack into the trunk and over that back seat. Now, to me, that's not going to be a big deal since it's a two-door car anyway. So I think it'll work out. However, what that means is I will need some level of vertical support from there to here to hold the battery up, so it's not just dangling in space like a psychopath with a death box. So I've got both supports there gently and precariously clamped where they needed to be and squared up. You can also see I cleaned off the space where the weld's going to happen on both parts. So I believe I'm good to just kind of start tacking that sucker down. Well, apparently I forgot to hit record again. But you can see, at least this guy now is, to say, persuaded to be in place. Oh. Just got to go through, get the other one started, and which I don't think you're going to be able to see, a little too small of a space. And then square these guys up and finish them. Heavier gauge stuff than when I was doing those. The floorboards, you can see I got them in there. Still really ugly welds, but these are solid right now. It looks like they're on there pretty good. All these need just a little bit of wire brushing, clean up. I think that'll be enough for this weekend.